Good luck horseshoe right there. Okay, this is what we got done today. Got about 100 tons of dirt moved, backfilled. Still have a whole bunch more to do. Kate, did you work hard today?
Yes, I did.
Good. A little bit more to do over there. Got about 100 tons of dirt left. We're good. Storm's coming in, so we're gonna have to get out of here. Contemplate how to get rid of this big boy. Welcome back. Thank you everybody for tuning in to the Kocherdeal channel. On this video, we are going to be moving more dirt with the equipment, and I'll be tearing out a tree stump with the mini excavator along with my son Ryder's help with the skill saw. That's kind of fun. So Big Dalton came in to help run the Bobcat for me, and many thanks to him. So with that, thank you and enjoy the video. What? Push the thing, the trigger safety down. The top, push the top trigger. Top button, push it down with your thumb. Push it down. Pull the trigger. Why don't you pull it out of the hole? Now figure out how to get it to turn on. Push that down. Down. There you go. It's amazing he can see anything with that hair in his face. Okay. You need a barrette for your hair? Come on, get out of there. See if I can break it with the tractor. Is this right?